Hi, this is Bree Kirsch, the University Librarian at Briarcliff University, and I wanted to talk today about how to find the full text for an article. So let's say you have the DOI number or the journal title. Well, if you have the DOI number, you can go to doi.org and put it in the box and then click Submit. And then it should bring up the article's information. And you can see in this case, it looks like the journal title is Pain Medicine. And so I'm going to copy that because the journal title is what we'll need to look up this article to see if we have access to the full text of it. So now I'll go to the library's homepage, and in the Everything search box, I'm going to paste in Pain Medicine, the title of the journal, not the article title because it won't work. So make sure you put in the journal title, and then make sure you click Journals at the top here, the Journals tab. You can put the journal title in quotes if you want to, but if you remember part of the title or you're not 100% sure of the title, put in what you know of the title and then click Search. So we get 13 results with Pain Medicine in the title. And in this case, it's probably this first one, Pain Medicine, the official journal of the American Academy of Pain Medicine. And if I click on it, it will show me where we can access this title online, the journal title. And what you'll want to look at is the date range listed. For example, this one from ProQuest Central is available from 2016 to 1 year ago, 365 days ago. In Medline, it's available back to 2003. In Sport Discus, it's available back to 2000. So keep in mind, a lot of journals have an embargo, which means it doesn't give you the most recent journal articles. For example, this one, we don't have the most recent year, so none of 2019. So keep that in mind when you're looking at where it's available. Now, in this case, my article is from February of 2019, so unfortunately that means we do not have full text access to this specific article, so you would have to request it through interlibrary loan. Now, let's say, for the sake of argument, that the article is from 2001. So if we look here at the date ranges, that article would only be available through Sport Discus. So then I could click Access Journal, and then it will bring up the actual journal title. I can search within the publication, or I can look at the specific date range that my article is from. For example, if it's from 2001, I can select which volume and issue number it's from. So that is how you can use the Everything search box and doi.org to look for a journal article that you want the full text. Hope that helps. Good luck with your research. Thanks for watching.